Hello and welcome to our NP4 web hands-on video tutorial. In this video, we will show you a quick demonstration of how easy it is to create 100 gigabits per second FPGA firmware from high-level description in the P4 language. For more background information about P4 or our NP4 web service, see our previous video in the link below. The NP4 web service is located at np4.netcope.com. Here you can request access to the web service. We will use demo credentials in this video. Here we can see a list of tasks. Each compilation from P4 to FPGA firmware is one task. So let's create one. Now we supply only the name of the task and the P4 source code. We upload zip file with the source codes so that the actual P4 code can be nicely split into multiple files. We can also choose whether we want full firmware implementation or just P4 syntax check. This time we will go step by step and select check only. Finally, we click Add New Task button to create the task. Now we can see that the new task has been created. Since it's P4 check only, it will only take a couple of seconds. Once we refresh the page, the task is already finished. We can click Show to see the task details. Here we can see basic info about the task. We can even download the original P4 source codes and the compilation log file. Since P4 syntax check was successful, we will continue with generating the bitstream. Note that we could have done both steps at once when we created the task, but we wanted to show you more details of the whole process. Now we're back at the task list. Since firmware generation will take some time, we will get email notification once it's done. We will use some previously built firmware for our demonstration. Now the task detail page has one more item, the FPGA bitstream download button. By clicking it, we can download the complete and ready-to-run FPGA bitstream for 100 gigabits per second packet processing. That's all from this hands-on video tutorial. Thanks for watching. In our next videos, we will show you how you can use our live P4 lab with real Netcope FPGA boards to remotely test functionality and performance of our hardware and firmware. We will also demonstrate our NP4 API that you can use in your applications to configure the firmware and populate your P4 tables.